Can I give you a piece of advice? You are not here to do the job. You are not here to be frustrated. Deadlines after deadlines, meetings after meetings. You are not here to waste your energy, to feel the burden of that job that helps you to make ends meet, that helps you with the survival. You are not here to do all those things, but you are here to serve with what God has given you. You are here to serve. You are here to be yourself, and God pays you, the universe pays you in abundance ngalesikhathi. Ubingelelo changes akasha othi kungenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ucabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli uyabona. Some people are chasing the bag. Even ingane zichuza ama-career ezikoleni. Into ithi choose from the basis yokuthi yini escarce, yini eholelayo. That's a very, very wrong narrative. We are changing the game now. We are changing the whole narrative now. You don't have to choose anything because it pays a great amount of money or it is scarce or what. It's no longer about that. As a matter of fact, now you can go to school to read and to do this thing of enhancing yourself in terms of reading and writing, logic, reasoning, numbers, and all of those things. But let me tell you, school is not the only way. It's not the only way. I'm saying that in passing. It's not the only way. So, umuntu ohlulwe yisona isikole, angazacabanga ukuthi uhlulwe yiyona yonke into emhlabeni. There's a lot. In fact, the schooling system is teaching you to be a slave of someone else. So, I'm saying that in passing. But the universe will pay you for being yourself. Be yourself. How to be yourself? You see this thing that you do effortlessly. Effortlessly. Try to find that. And inkinga umuntu vele athi angayiboni into kuyena eza effortlessly. Kodwa ekuyiyona azoseva ngayo ngoba ujaheni ubuka lezi izinto azokwazi ukuscale khona ukuthi hawu imiqasho awu manje nje kwahlala abantu abawu10 nje bekhokha 2000 hawu senginemali lapho quick cash. We are here to serve. Do you love lento emqasho? Do you love property? Do you feel that I'm in love with property? I'm in love with this thing that I'm doing. Oh, just get the niche there makuthiwa uyafunda and hence kwi-field vele oyithandayo ngoba kunento ekuthiwa i-talent. I-talent together with the education lapho sithola enye into lapho. But i-talent alone nje, you just be exploited by someone obona ukuthi wena une-talent exploit just khona la ku music industry njengoba sibona nje sekukhona inkinga ezithile ube exploited. Yazini la ukuba exploited unga exploited for isikhathi esithile, not ukuthi wena une intention nje yokuthi wena uyohlezi userve ngaso sonke isikhathi userve umuntu akusize, umuntu umsize wena ukuthi afezekise amaphupho akhe, ube lithuluzi wena lokuthi afezekise amaphupho akhe ngoba wena uzoba yithuluzi wena. Uma ngabe ukuthi wena awuzicabangeli uzoba yithuluzi nje, umuntu azokusebenzisa ukuthi ufezeke into zakhe. Lokho uma kuthiwa kuyenzeka kwenzeke for a meantime, awuzele la ukuzokwenza lonto la uzoseva la yenza into oyithandayo ngoba it's very, very painful ukuthi kube khona into ethi wenza into ongayithanda. I know that feeling. Yabo. So bheka into oyithandayo because lento oyiphethe i-demand kodwa wena wazi. Once njengoba uzaliwe kunezinto ezikuwena ezenzeka naturally oyizona wena ongaseva ngazo wena, and then that is when the universe is going to pay you, because njengoba ukhona wena you are a supply. Yazi umuntu umuntu okhona la uyi-supply. Njengoba i-supply ukuthi khona i-demand, you wouldn't be there if there was no demand for you. So you are here for that particular demand that is there. So when you want to supply something that you don't have, and guess what? We have a lot of people who are paid a very decent amount of money, but they are not even happy. I'm talking about something that I know. They are not even happy. Some of them they are frustrated. Some of them they are thinking of quitting. It's like they are wasting. They can even not to and then you realize, man, this is not what I want to do. This is not what I want to do. This is not the way I want things to happen. Yes, I'm being paid. Yes, I'm grateful. But no, for how long things will happen this way? Find the niche. That's how the universe pays you. The universe, I'm doing what comes naturally to me. My views, my opinions, my downloads, and all of those things. I have never went to study all these things. It's not a matter of academic education, all of these things that I'm saying. And I really do not know where the universe will take me to with this thing. And mine is not to say, people are making money. Mine is to stick to my journey and see, universe, what do you want me to do now? Because okay, what I'm doing, I like it. I like talking, I like giving advices, I like doing all these things that I'm doing. Okay, sharp. For now, it is the way it is. So universe, there are so many people here I've helped. They even say it, you have helped me changes. But it's not a matter of wealthy. No, that's not mine. Ngizoshare into that comes naturally to me. I'm not a tool. I'm not a money generator. No ways. We are not here to make money. We are here to serve. The universe doesn't know money. The universe doesn't know money. It's only us who knows money. The universe that yonke into ekhona ithina siyenze yakhona futhi yasebenza savumelana ngayo. Ithina. So uma ucabanga wena ukuthi uzele lokho la, ucabanga ukuthi umdali into ejule kangaka ngakuletha wena la ezokulethela ukuthi uzokwenza imali nje. Money is a byproduct of serving, of being yourself, of focusing on your part, and forget ukuthi ubani wenzeni kumhambela kahle, ubani wenzeni kumhambela kahle, into ukuthi nemali, into. You are here, do what you love. Do what you are passionate about. It's not yours to decide ukuthi kumele ube kuphi nini. It's not yours. Guess what? Uma wena ukuthi you think of playing God, you're going to cut all the corners and find yourself in a very, very deep end. Yabo? In a very, very, very deep end. You're going to cut corners. You're going to, there's a lot that you can find yourself in. Ngokuba nenhliziyo engaphandle njengenkinobho zeshethe, engabe ufocusa kuwena ukuthi mina yini mina that comes natural, that I can do what I love. Sit down with yourself, because yabona wenza into ongayithandi, even ngisho into encane nje, i-challenge encane nje, that is part of everything. Inama challenge akhona, nalo uyithandayo inama challenges akhona. I-challenge encane nje obhekana nayo, because you are doing something that you don't love, it becomes a very big burden. I-challenge nje encane nje, it's a big burden. But uma wenza into oyithandayo, i-challenge nje enkulu komunye umuntu, kuwena vele it's a pity thing, this one. It's just a pity thing that I can survive this one, because I love this thing. Yabo ungazizwa energized by what you are doing, to keep moving, to keep pushing, to keep evolving, to be better and better and better. Frustrated. We are consumed by the system lapho. We are consumed by the system. Hlala phansi now. Be yourself. La ku social media la ningabi into ongayenza la ewuwe ngqo. Abantu bayidinga leyo nto leyo. Wena nje uyithathela kancane ngoba ucabanga ukuthi bonke abantu bayayazi.